Overbooked. Continue with the waterline staining removal. Starting to get to the stained part. We'll have that all cleaned up. And your bow thruster as well. I want to take a look at that with a light just so I can assess the zinc situation. See it from the backside. Your arm all the way up to your shoulder to clean that. So I can't exactly see there. I'm cleaning by feel. That's why I wanted a video of it so I can assess your zinc situation with that. You can see this side of the boat is not yellow anymore, but we do have a couple issues, like there's no bottom paint here. The water is actually coming up above the paint for the water line. So we'll get you finished up. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service. Again, we really need to clean this thing monthly right now, or we have to charge you by the hour. Come fall and winter, we can certainly go back to every other month. That would be, that would be an appropriate schedule.